1995 240sx with an LS3 conversion and 3-inch system all the way back, true dual, into a Black Widow. This is what it sounds like. We're gonna change it up, make it quiet. But I said I'll let you guys hear it before. It's got high flow cats on it too. Go ahead. Like this, guys. We're gonna put a BORLA, gonna put a magnet pack in the middle, a wide pipe, and tips. We're gonna make it quiet. One time, go ahead. Enjoy. All right, guys. 1994 240sx LS3 motor conversion. Really beautiful car. I don't mind having one of these with that kind of motor in it. It's got custom suspension. It's been 3 years in the making. I talked to him about this car 3 years ago and he finally brought it to us. He just finally got that. He still needs to tune it, believe it or not. But anyways, it's got long tube headers there. Look at that, how they ran the drive, the steering shaft. See it? And then long tube headers over here. Then 3-inch pipe. Then we added a Y pipe. A high flow cat there, then a flow effects by Flowmaster, because he had the other guy, the tuner, run a system for him, but it didn't look good at all. So he brought it to us and we changed it up for him. Then 3-inch pipe, and he wanted it a lot quieter. And BORLA Pro XS into a dual tip. So BORLA Pro XS, Flowmaster FX, high flow cat, long tube headers, and dual tip out the back. 3-inch all the way back. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. This is the system that the guy fabbed for him, but it was really low to the ground. It was scraping on everything. It was Black Widow. I recorded it before, so you guys should be able to hear it. I don't know if you see. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and sharing, because sharing is caring. Much better. Should have heard it earlier. It was so loud. Give it harder. Your sound decibel is perfect. Again. Right at 107. Much better. Let it idle. That sounds good. Give it gas. Let you guys hear on the. Look at that LS3. It is really nicely done too. Tucked. Wow. You guys gotta admit, that is clean. Go ahead. Wow. Same motor in the Corvettes and stuff. Beautiful. There's in a 240sx So you can only imagine how fast this car is, or will be once it's tuned. It still needs a tune. Wow. Today's one of the windiest days in Tennessee, guys. Sorry. We'll get whatever we can out of it. Yeah, baby. Beast mode. 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392 HEMI. What we got done on this thing. Got factory converters there and there. Then we put a full BORLA system on it. We had to put 2 sleeves in, 3-inch right there. Then it's got simulators for the active exhaust there and there. And then it's got BORLA ATAK out the back there and right there. And then there's the tips. Right there, right there. Part number 140672. There'll be a link in the description. There's a full exhaust system right there. That was on it that we took off. There it is. Full system. BORLA ATAK. ATAK system. 116 BORLA ATAK. Not bad at all. 3-inch system. That sounds neat. There's the old system we cut off right there, guys. Replace it with this beast. But BORLA famous for no drone, which is like a heavy metal band inside. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger RT. And 392 BORLA ATAK. Cold start. Much better? Woo-hoo-hoo. Nothing like that cold start. That's awesome. Enjoy it. He's gonna put some stainless steel headers on it, guys, for you. And we're gonna get him some new tips to put on it too. Yeah, man. This sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys, 2012 Hyundai Veloster. Look at that gold orangish color. I like it. Factory converter there, main converter there. Then we did a a resonator delete right there. Then 2-inch pipe all the way back, or 1 3/4 actually. We added 2-inch in its place. Then muffler delete over here, and we kept the factory tips on it. As you guys can see right there. There it is. So muffler delete, resonator delete. So it's basically straight piped other than the cats. There's the muffler. There's the resonator that comes on these that we took off and replaced. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. All right, guys, it's typical Tennessee. It's raining, so it'll be a little bit of background noise. Go ahead. Not bad. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 113. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Hyundai Veloster straight pipe. This is an Acura TL. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. All factory. As you can see, barely can hear it. Again, this is sound decibels on it. So it's barely hitting 80. That's what it sounds like before. 2006 Acura TL. So we'll let you guys hear it before what it sounds like. 2006 Acura TL D6. Factory converters up there, manifolds, third converter there. Then it usually comes with two resonators, one here and one there. So we just cut them both off and ran a pipe in their place. And then continued the 2 1/4. Then it comes out to 2-inch. Then we did a rear buffer delete also, there and there, with 2 1/4 also. And then we put some blue flame tips or titanium tips. Everybody calls them different. Right there, double wall. There'll be a link in the description for them. There and there. Came out really nice, real clean. There's the two mufflers, there, there. There's a resonator right there. And the other resonator there. So we just took all that off and just cleaned it up for them. These tips are weird that come on this, but it is what it is. Oh, wow. That sounds mean. I like it. Wow. There's sound decibels. Again. 114. Wow. Go and back it up. Oh yeah. This sounds speed for an Acura, man. Wow. Let you guys hear on that side. Acura TL straight pipe duals with 4-inch pipe. Listen to that. That sounds so good.